Well, this video I will explain the tools that you require for repairing line 1, BR and BS. Also some recommendations to repair. The first of all, security. Remember you are working with a gas tank and a lot of wires that can jump to your eyes, so protection is very important. Also, for you can work comfortable, these two with different shapes. Some Teflon is also recommended to get, especially on the screw valve. And also I like to use this silicone lubricant, and also for the metal components a normal oil-based lubricant. These are the recommendations. Now we are going to the necessary tools. A small screwdriver, flat. I always recommend quality tools because cheap tools may damage your lighter. Also around this tool to take out the gas nozzle over here. This valve opener for the big line 1 table version and full size. This different key is smaller for the small line 1, and also is the same for line 2, small and full size. Now the rubber seals. I recommend also always quality rubber seals. Normally they are like 10 euros per liter. This normally the older versions will use this for the gas nozzle, the valve where you charge the gas, but newer Dupont from the 80s and forward will use, instead of this flat one, will use this one inside the valve. Also the round bottom rubber seals, these smaller ones, these are for line 1 BR, and these ones are exactly the same, but if you notice, let's see a good light here, they are slightly smaller. The bigger ones are used for line 1 BS. Also some versions of line 1 BR, the very first versions, will also use this rubber seal, but normally most of them, 95% of line 1 BR, will use the small rubber seal. So I hope you like it, and